Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing us how to check the prices of cryptocurrencies. If you're trading bitcoins, if you're trading any cryptocurrencies and you want to know their prices so that you know when to sell and when to buy, there is a website that you can actually go to where you can see all the prices, including the volumes that are sold, the volumes that are sold, the price change and everything. This is actually the website. So to do that, you simply go to this web address that I have here, www.coinmarketcap.com, or you can simply type https://coinmarketcap.com. It's written here. So once you type it, just press enter. Once you press enter, you see this website will open. CoinMarketCap. You can see this is Bitcoin, and this is the current price, $7,294.31, and this is the volume that is being traded within 24 hours. This is the total circulating volume of Bitcoin. This is the change in price of Bitcoin in 24 hours, and this is the graph showing the change in price in 7 days. So same for other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, XRP, which is also known as Repos, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Tether, and all the rest of them. So you can see whenever you go to this website, coinmarketcap.com, you're going to be able to see the first 100 coins. First 100 coins, you can see it stopped at 100. These are the most highest volume cryptocurrencies that you can actually deal in. There are almost about 1,910 cryptocurrencies, but if you want to deal on the ones that are actually doing it, it has to be from this first 100. So this first 100 has the following data. Their market capitalization simply means that the total money that people have put into them, their current prices, the current volume that they are being traded, like how many of them that is being bought and sold over a period of 24 hours, the current circulating supply, that's the total Bitcoin that you have in the world, about 17 million plus, and the change in 24 hours and change in 7 days represented with graph. So the movement of this also tells you a lot about how and when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. So you can do this analysis, can be done for like the first 100 cryptocurrencies based on market capitalization. This first 100 is based on their market capitalization.